All right, so here we are in the car. Jim is driving Miss Mary, and we are headed back to the office after visiting our new kitchen remodel, which is happening in Littleton, Massachusetts. We encounter a few little issues, or you could say big issues, which is heating and ventilation ducting inside the wall that we wanted to take out between the dining room and the kitchen. And so we invited Mike Vaughn from Vaughn Plumbing and Heating to come in and take a look at that. That's one of his specialties. And it happens that we have to relocate the heating and ventilation, and that kitchen is also going to need the wood floors ripped out and new floors installed in the kitchen space due to the fact that the builder did not install originally the wood floors, or the floors did not go under the existing base cabinet. So now we have to install all that because the new kitchen layout is different than what was there. So I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. You can find me helping clients take their dated old kitchens and transform them into beautiful new kitchens that they love because they fit their homes and lifestyle much better. If you're ready to start your kitchen remodeling journey or just enjoy watching home transformations, you are at the right place. Come join me. So, Mike, what do you think?
Well, this is going down the line here. I mean, I only look downstairs, but yeah, what's gonna have to happen is this. I'm gonna bring it this way, and you can
Mm-hmm.
see right where it lines up here. We have to bring it up this wall and tie right back to that. So if I
Okay.
come over, up, that's a pretty clear shot.
Okay, so this one is easy.
I would say, yeah, depending on what's down below, but I mean, I'm sure we can get something over there.
Mm-hmm.
Round pipe or something, and that one's done. This one,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where it goes to, but what I would like to know is it looks like it doesn't line up with a window, so I mean it could go. Uh,
Oh, it's hard to see because of the this
yeah,
thing being
looks like
blocked. Oh, okay. Okay. Um, yeah, I see the win is over. It looks like it's to the right. Here, I can get this. Are you wanting all the way to the end?
yeah, right to the water.
Okay, we got it. Okay.
So the edge of this is 136. What was that? You want us to move that? Oh, you're fine. Okay.
Hmm. So then this one.
This one we could do something similar, so it goes that way, right up, and then I don't know how far this extends down, but certainly we
Okay.
get bay and reconnect.
How about this one? Is it on the window?
It's 23 inches off that wall. And then so if it goes 23 to like 30.
I think it's gonna be in the window. What do you think, Mike?
I say not the end of the world. It's in the window, but if you look upstairs and find this, if we can just shift it this way, we could just relocate this way.
You know
In the
what the
floor.
problem is? They have carpet.
Carpet. Um,
That's gonna stink. We can go look.
you know what else could happen is maybe it just means heading off that one joist over there. When you come up that wall, and then there'll be like a pocket over there.
Like a bump.
Well, no, it wouldn't show. I mean, we got to come up the exterior wall, and then you just head off, like say, like 16 inches in or something, so that we can just jog over.
Oh, got you.
You know,
Okay. Okay.
so it's a
That's
solution.
mm-hmm. Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
it
Oh
doesn't seem
yeah.
that bad. I mean, obviously it's more demo on that side, and we don't know how far over they're extended. I mean, if it's in the middle of it, and then just the sheetrock has to get opened.
Mm-hmm. I mean, which is not a super big deal to do that.
Right. I
So
mean, you have enough going on here with plastering and
mm-hmm.
Opening up some holes for you.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Anything can happen. Absolutely.
yeah, I mean, there's a solution for everything so far. Then I mean, there is for everything, but you just gotta find it. This
Right.
return is also interesting because it has to get back to this spot, but we could really just use one of these bays too. It looks like that could line up. So that could work out good on some of them.
Did
that
you
right?
say this
Yeah.
has to be piped,
Yeah,
or
this
can
has
it?
that's why
piped.
you can't use it all these toe kicks towards the exterior, and then
Right.
have this return. Yeah, so
Well,
I
okay,
mean
okay.
capping off that ductwork
Alright, so that
basically,
makes-
and then running a pipeline from
Makes it a little
from there back there. And then
What's going on with
Oh, okay, okay.
Going crazy.
or potentially just putting a.
So pause
it's
it.
worth looking up there. I mean, we could potentially just put a new return somewhere that makes more sense, but I'm sure there's a grill.
So
right
these
above there.
returns are on the wall,
Okay.
on that wall.
So
And
it would just make sense to tap back into that and just leave them where they are.
okay.
Yeah, there's one
okay.
on the wall and one bedroom and then another on the other bedroom.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So, but we can go look
Yeah,
at
why don't we
the
look up there
bedroom.
real quick?
Yeah.
And
Okay.
get a sense of what that is.
All right. So, you want to grab?
Do I want to grab this?
Yes. Yeah. And then here, you see what I was telling you? Their carpet.
All the way towards it goes all the way.
To the right of the window.
Yep. And then
Okay.
this one is right above the window, so it shoots all the way, but it is right above that window.
Okay. So the header is going to be in the way of the header. But you said you
Well,
could
yeah.
turn it.
Well, the way this is lined up, I would think that we could basically go down this bay and then come up this and just like jog over
Mm-hmm.
wherever you head that off.
Okay. Okay.
You know, so we make some sort of transition to go from that orientation and then down this bay.
Yeah.
Or well, down that bay over there, right to the left of the window.
Okay. Okay.
So looking at it,
So it's working itself out, and that return, and then
that's old red checker.
I would do something. I would just run a. I'm gonna see what size airflow we want to get to basically accommodate for like these two pockets here, and just run the biggest pipeline we can. I mean,
Okay.
I see this bay is probably not usable. It ends on that corner, but we could just run in this bay and basically tap into here, run some sort of ductwork.
Okay.
We may have to change it all the way up though, because I mean, we can't use a pocket anymore, so. Getting that wall is another thing. We really have to get like a piece of ductwork in that wall.
So it would have to be open. This is the wall between the kid's bedroom.
Right. So we would just put like a piece of ductwork that's like the size of an interior wall, like a 2x4 wall, and then just cut the grills into it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
'cause
So you
the building
can't.
inspector would never allow us just to pull back from that.
Oh, really? Okay.
Probably not.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're at the mercy of the building inspector.
I
We
know.
we love them anyways, you know. So.
I'm sure they're good friends with you guys.
Yeah. Well, it's a new one in Littleton.
Okay. So you think the wall that we're building here, the pocket wall, or this wall that is going to be built, that's going to help you?
For sure, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So that's what we would do then.
Yep. Yeah, because I mean, and then I would leave the pockets. I would space the studs basically just so the ductwork won't be obviously centered on a stud
Yeah.
where it's
yeah.
coming back.
Okay.
This one.
I mean, I can lay out the cabinets too so that we can have some ideas, even on the floor, just to have an idea where the fridge is going, like I said, with the water line, because I know has to be moved as well, right? Because of the heat is going to come out under the fridge. Just the joys.
Yeah, true.
Hey, Mike thinks it's pretty cool that we make the videos. He likes the idea. Yeah, right? Like to give people like a heads up of how things go, Like,
Well, we see this all the time, but these.
the only thing is, so you're going to go up and then shoot it this way, right? And then go up? Is that?
That register is right above that. I mean, it's on the.
It's right here. It's on this plane, I think. On this one,
Of that. Okay.
right here.
Okay.
That makes sense.
So if you open that up a little bit, then you'll be able to do your return. Bring it up and
As
then.
long as you can see the register that we can work with.
Okay. And give you some room to work on.
Yeah, exactly.
The only thing is, Mike, this is where the basement ends.
Yeah,
Oh
so-
no, but this pipe is down there.
Yeah, it does extend into that overhang.
It does extend. Okay.
That's
Okay.
sitting on the foundation.
Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
so I mean, we could pull that back or do something else with it. I mean,
I mean, if you moved it over, it would have to go like maybe like a couple of bays this way because there's a cabinet over here,
okay.
like a base cabinet coming out.
Yep.
I'll have to lay out the cabinets one of these days. When you guys pull up the floor, then maybe I'll come
Yeah,
back
just
and
definitely let
drill.
Jay know.
I mean, I guess the other idea could be like a flush smell, like a wood grill or something on the floor. But maybe.
That would take care of that too. Yeah. Yeah, because you can cut it back wherever we
cut it
need
back
it.
and put a register. I mean, I'd be right in front of the.
Fridge.
So it's kind of silly, right? But
Yeah. I mean, I'd rather see it,
as a toe kick.
or maybe go this. It doesn't matter. It's kind of in the middle there.
Right
So.
away, yeah.
That's minimal. We can figure out that really whenever though.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I mean.
No, awesome. Well, thank you, Mike.
Yeah, you're welcome. I'll
This
work
has
something
been
out.
great.
Yeah,
Thank
you
you.
too.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you for
you're
coming
welcome.
out so
Nice to see you.
quickly.
Yeah,
Like
nice to
that
see you.
was really
Cheers, Mike.
appreciate it.
Nice to see you.
Like, I feel like I'm in this old house or something. It's like, hey, make it happen. Just call Mike.